This time, we take out T-pain for the ride of his life.
Yeah, calm down.
We threw down some of the hugest backies we've ever pulled off, but we strike drama for the third event in a row with none other than the lucky charm Hert. Yeah. Enjoy the episode. Welcome, and we're at Gridlife, Wisconsin, and we're back with the BarraWagz, and she's all back together, ready to sing this absolutely massive track. So I missed out on the go-kart track, so we're going straight onto the main track, which is one of the fastest tracks I've ever seen, and I'm scared, and I haven't tested the car. So let's go straight to the main track and see what it's all about, and run this freshly put together engine in, see if it holds boost. Oh. Let's do it, baby. I'm scared. Baby girl, what's your name? You know me. I'm T-pain. If you need me to be a backup singer, let me know. The reason I'm talking to you right now is because we're giving away an incredible FD RX-7 on the beautiful Workmeister wheels. This thing is absolutely gorgeous, and it could be yours. If you are in Australia, you can go in the draw for as little as 30 bucks. This giveaway is only live for like 10 days or something, so yeah, if you do want to support what we do at Reet and go in the draw to win an epic FD RX-7, click the link in the description and head over to the website. And if it's not for you or you don't live in Australia, you can get yourself some merch too. Bye. All right, let's go. Main track, fresh BarraWagz. Let's see if this motor is doing what it should. Quick few pulls, and it seems to be all good, but we're gonna test it out properly. So straight into the first corner of this big ass track, back down to third. Quickly realised that this is a decent sweeper and a very long turn for the first corner. Feeling good. The car seems to be doing its thing. Second corner, another awkward sweeper, so not really much of a corner. This track just has some huge long straights and big sweeping corners, so quickly found out that they're not really the greatest corners to try and do. But this one here, huge downhill straight away. I was like, oh yeah, let's send it. So chucked it in. It's starting to get comfortable, feeling good about the motor now. Up the big hill, these next few corners leading to the carousel, so another awkward straight, and then the next one too leads down into another gangster downhill, big 90-degree corner, and I think it's time we open her up and let the Barramundi sing, see if it's got all the powers that she used to hold within. And yeah, this is pretty much how I put it down as the longest dyno pull in the history. 4th gear, hold it, and just watch your temperature gauge climb, pretty much, which is what went down on this corner. As you can see, done. We made it. Look down, she's hot. Put the squirters on, realize there's a bit of a leak, and we've smudged some oil and coolant on the windscreen. So back into the pits to check it out. Now I'll quickly go through the rest of the course. We've got 2 long straights and a little kink into the next section. Then it tightens up into almost a 90-degree corner, and then straight into a big uphill, which is a bit of an S up the hill, and then one more straight, which looks like you could extend it, and it ends on another almost 90 back onto the main straight, and this is where we pull back into the pits. So that's the whole track. It's huge, but looking forward to opening it up in a little bit in the rest of the day and see what we can do. Success! I'd call that success. We got one successful lap and a few corners, got the main corner and just getting comfy. There's some big entry corners, but it's just a big ass weird track. So the engine stayed in one piece. The coolant, I put a new coolant one on here, and I don't think it's the right pressure, or I needed to add something in there to kind of hold it down a bit tighter.
It doesn't seem to be, it just needs to be letting out. Yeah, it's just seeping through it, so it ended up on the windscreen. Hence me putting the wipers on it, being all smudged. So, but yeah, she's good. So I'll be back out. Keen to get on the kart set track, so I'll take that rad cap off and sort that out and get back out on track. Alright.
Round two.
Round two.
Round two. Let's see if we can
So
do
if you didn't know, it's funny because Rob from Nappy Boy was actually the last one in the car, so the seatbelt's still ready for you.
That's right.
So last time we had Drymies at Drift Appalachia, yeah, I went, tried to kill him. Yeah, we went a bit fast. Not good. We got a front end hit, so hopefully damage not too bad. Sorry about that, right?
Hey, it happens.
And then I had the dramas at Drift Mansion, but now the car's good. We've done one lap on the big track. So now straight onto the go-kart track and see what it's all about. And we got Mr. Grant waiting. We'll go do some laps. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
We're going to take T-pain out for the Nappy Boy session right now, get his reaction. We'll set up the camera on his face. I think he's going to love the BarraWagz. Didn't even realise you guys are running a little competition as well.
Yeah. Just quick drift games.
Surely extra points having you in the car.
Too much sauce, son.
That was all second?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
It's got pretty long gearing. Really big trap.
God damn.
That's a little bit of off-throttle anti-lag. Probably not all that needed for a little track, but it's a bit of extra spice for the crowd.
Oh my God, dude. Yo, that was insane.
What do you reckon? What do you reckon the Aussie power was?
That was nuts. That was nuts. You know, I've obviously ridden with Luke and you know, all the people over there, but that was something else.
Do you know what the engine is?
No, what's in there? I was
So
gonna ask.
that's what I'm saying. It's the Australian-made Ford Barra. So it's a
shit.
it's a 4-litre straight six, makes 800 horsepower. Like no worries.
That's insane.
And the car's an Australian-made Skyline as well. But there you
That's
go.
crazy. Yeah, calm down, man. You got the part. You
I
did
spiced it up. So you're gonna get a word in with the judges or what?
Right.
We almost got it.
I gotta get out there now. That made me wanna
Yeah,
go.
get out there, get out there.
God damn, that was crazy. Thanks again, man.
No
That was
worries.
awesome. There it is.
Subscribers you got on YouTube, you are going down, brother.
You guys want anything?
The next day.
Here from Keep It Reet. Just to go out on the big track and Road America and see what this thing's about.
Just had an epic first session to BarraWagz. Absolutely blazing the main track first corner. I didn't really close out yesterday, but we had a pretty gangster night at the karaoke. We jumped up there and supported TJ. Grant and I were gonna perform I Come From a Land Down Under, Australian classic, but they ran out of time. Probably fortunately for me and Grant, but it was a good night either way, and obviously finishing having T-pain in the car was sick. Next up we're going to go do some fat backies again and some big track blazing with Larry Chen chasing us down in the Supra, getting some chase car shots. And I think Chelsea's actually got a competition and they've changed the layout on the other track, so we'll go check that out as well. Forgot to mention Deadmau5 is playing tonight, which is massive. I don't know if I even mentioned this track is actually Road America at the start. So apparently a really iconic track. I haven't drifted here in 15 years. The venue is just stupidly big. I'll see if I can film some of the, just even driving to the track entry, but like the spectators can get around. They've got these like big carts like that with seats in the back. It's wild, but yeah, Deadmau5 is playing tonight. Yeah, it is. And I can't wait. That's gonna be so good. Childhood memories right there.
Whee! Let's go.
Let's go, baby.
Big track, baby.
Tell me what you got, buddy. look at me, buddy. Don't
What
look
did
at
you
me.
do?
Don't look at me, buddy. It's not my fault. Don't even.
I definitely G'd up. Yeah, it's definitely a bit of force on the clutch and gearbox. I'm tipping it's something clutch related as given out here. Getting mad vibrations like it's loosened off, or like maybe it welded itself to the flywheel for a second. There was definitely some hectic torque going through that. Yeah, we didn't make it off the track. It started doing weird shit, so yeah. We're gonna have to get towed, so we'll see you back at the pits. Alright, so the clutch may be gone, but we had an epic time. It's time to get on the beers early, so we got Dead Mouse tonight. Rob and the Nappy Boy guy said if I want to use they got the hoist in their trailer, if I want to rip it out. Sunday's normally a pretty chill day, so I might throw it on there, pull it out. I got the spare PC clutch, and just so she's ready to go, because we've got a bit of a break until the next event. We're gonna go do some touring around, might get the VL out at some national landmarks, but let me know in the comments what you want to see next, and we'll be around, but hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you on the next one.